Hello friends, welcome to Gupta Education World. In this video, we will discuss the 11th bipartite settlement that is due for bank employees with effect from 1st November 2017. On July 22, 2020, Indian Bank Association and bank unions have agreed to resolve pending wage settlement issue and enter into MOU. Salary hike will benefit employees of 37 banks who got recruitment through IBPS, SBI, RBI, and others. Key highlights of 11th Bipart are as under. Wage revision will be effective from 1st November 2017. Annual wage increase will be at the rate of 15% of wage bill as on 31st March 2017 of the salary component. New basic pay will be arrived after merger of dearness allowance corresponding to 6,352 points in old basic pay plus 2.5% load on basic pay and dearness allowance. PL encashment will be permitted at 5 days every calendar year, 7 days in case of employees of 50 years and more, at the time of any festival of their choice with effect from calendar year 2020. Performance linked incentive will be given to all employees. Suppose bank gets YoY growth in operating profit up to 5%, then no PLI. But if bank's operating profit is growth is more than 5% but up to less than 10%, then they will get 5 days salary as PLI. But if the bank's operating profit growth is more than 10% but up to 15%, they will get 10 days salary. And if the growth is more than 15%, then they will get the salary of 15 days. But for the slab of 10 days and 15 days, bank should have the net profit. If a bank has growth in operating profit of 5% or more, but there is no net profit, then minimum second slab of 5 days will be payable. But PLI will be applicable from financial year 2020 and 21. Further, bank's contribution to NPS fund will be increased to 14% of pay and DNS allowance. But that will be payable only from the date of signing of the joint note. Now we will see the expected new basic and DNS allowance with the help of the calculator. Suppose your basic salary is 59,170. So new basic salary will be 89,640. Now we will see the calculation of DNS allowance. For that, we will select the month from this window. Suppose for March 18, old DNS allowance was 52.7%, but now new DNS allowance will be 3.5%. And suppose we select November 17, so at the time of November 17, old DA was 51.6% and new DA will be 2.66%. So if you require this calculator, the link of the calculator is given in the description portion below this video. Detailed bipartite settlement joint note on various issues will be discussed by IBA and bank unions at their mutually convenient dates. Whenever final joint note will come, I will prepare the video to explain the detailed areas calculation with calculator. So if you like this video, please press like button and share this video to your friends and colleagues. Consider subscribing the channel and click on bell button to get notifications of latest videos uploaded on time. Thank you for giving your valuable time in watching this video.